Hi, this is JR, and I'm with Dr. Freestone here. I'm going to let Dr. Freestone introduce himself in just a moment and say what we're about to do.
Okay. JR has gone to get his patches and lifewave patches, and what we're going to be doing is looking for areas of neurological disorganization and actually organize it by using patches on different meridian systems or different meridian points.
You probably want to speak a little louder too for future reference.
All right.
All right.
Okay, now, so what we got here, chin down, push down. Okay, has a weak sternocleidomastoid muscle. Now touch the small intestinal arm point, which is about 3 or 4 inches below the belly button. That turns the weak muscle on. So
we tried this before the video. We knew that was my situation.
Now take a glutathione patch and we get some tape.
I'll just use this little section like that.
All right.
Right there is good.
So pubic bone, 3 fingers above the pubic bone, and that's the point.
Okay, let's try that.
All right, chin down, push down. Yep, that works.
So now this muscle here is affected by that patch instantly.
Point. Yeah. Now step forward on the right with your left arm forward, right arm back. This is a gait test. It's a neurological organization test to test neurological organization, and his upper trap should be weak, and it should be weak. It's based on the premise that you cannot contract two opposing muscles at the same time. Like you have the biceps and the triceps, and if I'm going to contract the biceps, the triceps has to relax. And likewise, if I step forward like this muscle is supposed to relax because I'm contracting the opposite muscles. So step forward on the right again. And this should go weak, and it is not. That means he's neurologically disorganized. Touch your hip. We're going to touch different places. So when he touches his hip, it actually releases the muscle up here, which means the problem is in his hip. The hip is causing the neurological disorganization.
So there's this whole network of muscles and neurons, and they all overlap in various ways. I don't know if overlap's a good word, but anyway.
All right, now let's go back to this again.
Okay.
And you're going to touch the hip.
Okay.
And it makes it work. Now we're going to find another point that will actually turn it off to where it's not working. So touch right up here. No, keep that hand on your hip. Bring this together. Hold it. Okay, that doesn't have anything to do with it. Try right about there. Nope, that doesn't have anything to do with it. Push everything over like that. Bring it together again. Hold it. Nope, that doesn't have anything to do with it. Touch right up here. Hold it. Okay.
I could feel that would work too. When I touched it, I could feel that made a difference. It's weird.
Right. So his lung point, that's the lung number 1, is actually what's causing the hip to go out. It's not causing the hip to go out, it's causing the neurological disorganization.
I'm just going to leave that aside.
All right, so let's try this. Hold your arm up. I'm going to touch it. Now, he should go weak when I touch it. Let's see if the other one is.
See, I can feel that was fine.
It's just this one. All right. Now, let's check some other lung points. Is it tender back in here?
It is tender. I'm used to you finding things more tender than that.
All right, we'll touch this back here. Can you reach back here and touch that with this hand?
Wow.
Yeah,
okay.
Put this arm back. Okay, now do this again.
You mean just with
Okay,
my
bring
feet?
the ear and shoulder together. Okay. Okay, so the lung meridian is what's messing him up.
And why that is, we're not going to get into. I don't know. I don't even know if you know, but doesn't.
I know.
Okay. Well, maybe we'll do the demonstration, and then you can say more about it.
Well, this point back here
Let's
is.
not get into that just yet.
Forget that.
Well, like it's.
Take off your jacket.
That's for practitioners more than people who want to have just improvement in their mobility, their range of motion, their.
Well, there's a blockage in the lung meridian. It's actually throwing his hips off and causing some neurological disorganization. So, the point is, here, bend your neck down. There's T1, T2, T3, T4, so it's right over in here. Is that tender?
Can you go that way a little bit?
Down?
Down and to the right. Yeah, that's it.
Right?
That's it. Yeah.
Okay, so that's where we're going to put the patch. So take off the backing.
The whole backing.
Yeah, then undo your top button so I can get it down there.
And this could be put over the clothing, but it's obviously best to put it right on the skin so it can be there without being moved by anything.
Then we're going to put this other one on lung number 1. And that's right in here. Is that tender? There's the clavicle.
That's tender.
That's
You
it,
got,
right
yeah.
there.
The tenderness helps for us to find where the point is, okay? Where the placement will go.
Now, how do you feel?
Well, I can feel, obviously you just pushed into my muscles with some force too, so, there's that. But just now, I have, released my knee, my neck. So
it made a difference.
So it made a difference. I can feel in here, and in here, some, I don't know, like more circulation, or I'm not sure what, something like just a little bit more circulation.
All right, now step forward on the right, left arm forward, right arm back, bring this together. There it works, so that's good. So putting the patches in those places had an organizing effect on the nervous system. Now hold it. Okay, chin down, hold it. Step forward on the left with the right arm forward. Hold it. Yeah, that was good. It's very good. Bend over at the hips. Hold it. No, that works. Hold it. That's good. Yeah, I think we got it. Yeah. You are a new man.
All right, well, we'll stop the video, and thanks for your interest.